Previously on The Walking Dead.
Who do you think did this?
Eh, ça, il y a quelqu'un qui m'a dit dans le commentaire de la VOD que je suis la seule personne qui l'ait vu faire un gameplay à choisir le mec à la casquette plutôt que l'autre. Mais on est d'accord que c'était le choix logique. Oui, moi aussi. Mais j'ai pas compris. On le voit se faire mordre l'autre. Donc c'est plus logique d'aller avec le mec qui s'est pas fait mordre. C'est mieux de sauver un... Mais Pete c'est le GOAT. Mais oui c'est le GOAT, mais je veux dire il s'est fait mordre. Donc il est condamné, donc pourquoi aller aider un mec condamné plutôt qu'aider un gars qui est pas condamné? Il est plus gentil celui qui s'est fait mordre. Ben oui mais c'est pas logique. Putain vous, faut pas être là avec vous sur la fin du monde hein. La vache.
Think about it. You're Carver, what do you do? What's the most important thing in this world? Clem, it's family.
People like Matthew aren't coming back.
Légende. Légende. Attendez, je me mets en mode allongé. Hop là. Ah mais profitez bien chat, moi je dors.
Rebecca, our baby deserves to be raised in a place of safety.
Go to hell, you fuck.
Putain, il s'est passé tellement de trucs sur cet épisode, sa mère.
We're going home. As a family.
Merci off toi, merci beaucoup.
Bonjour. Un mois de
Enfin,
plus
70 mois,
l'Académie
la vache.
Linkajam.
Plus beau badge, hein, ceci étant dit. Bah, je vais pas l'attraper. Je peux pas ne pas le faire. Ok.
You about done over there?
Yeah, 1 second. Thanks for coming with me. It's scary out here. I know they made you. It's still nice that you came. We're friends. Friends look out for one another.
Voilà, dis bien.
We are, aren't we? Well, if you need to pee, let me know. I'll keep lookout for you too.
J'ai pas confiance en toi, Sarah, voilà, je te dis la vérité. Zéro confiance.
Everything come out all right, girls?
Attendez. J'ai loupé un épisode là. Pourquoi on est là avec eux? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? C'est normal qu'on soit pas en... Enfin... On est d'accord, l'épisode précédent, il s'est fini dans le chalet? C'est normal. Ok. Ok.
Troy, get him tied up.
Will do.
Well, we're on our way. Probably
On
30
s'est fait
minutes
capturer
out.
du coup?
Make sure everyone's prepped. Emotions might be running high.
Ah, ils sont dans le camion les autres, je pense.
If I find out you've been wasting fuel to keep that fucking heater going, I'll make you walk back.
Nope, froze my ass off. Just like you told me to.
It ain't polite to listen to other folks' conversations. Has anyone ever taught you that? Where's your manners?
J'avais une radio comme ça.
have a walkie-talkie like that.
Oh, really? And what happened to it? 'Cause you can't have this one.
Je parlais à mes parents avec.
used it to talk to my parents.
Is that why you're looking at this
Je raconte
one?
ma vie, je veux l'attendrir.
You wanna call
Même si je le
mommy,
déteste et que j'ai
daddy?
envie de lui chier dessus, je vais l'attendrir.
I don't need
Comme
it
une bonne
anymore.
bavette.
My parents are dead.
Le végétarien qui a rien compris.
Everybody's parents are dead. And that don't make you special.
Il est agréable lui.
My dad's alive.
And we're all grateful for that. Get the girls in back with the rest of them. We got a bit of a drive ahead of us.
Vas-y, je me fais ligoter.
Ian,
Moi, mon père, il est pas mort, nanana.
The hell did he do to you? Hey, did he hurt you? Hey! Hey!
Ok, j'en fais un peu trop. Lui, ça va être le connard de l'épisode et je sens qu'il en est pas à son dernier meurtre. Avant de disparaître de la surface du globe. Me spoilez pas, bien sûr. Qu'est-ce que j'aime le jeu, les gars. Qu'est-ce que j'aime le jeu. Kenny, perso, je lui ai pardonné. Moi, un petit peu aussi, mais pas trop.
All right, we gotta do
50-50.
something. Come on. Anyone got anything sharp? Anything? We need to get these bindings off. Hey, Clem, help me find something to get these off. Anything sharp that could cut these.
And what good is that gonna do?
The hell is wrong with you people?
Comme quoi?
We
Comme
gotta
quoi?
get out of here.
Like what?
What do you mean, like what? Something sharp. Anything that can help. A fucking... I don't know. Anything!
Tu vois, c'est pour ça que Kenny commence à me péter les... Voilà, ça, il me ressoule. Il me ressoule. Je lui ai pardonné, nana. Mais je crois que vous avez oublié que Kenny, on était chez les ennemis dans la grange, qu'il a fait exprès de faire en sorte que je me fasse coffrer à sa place. Genre ça, tout le monde a oublié que c'est pas possible. Pourquoi tout le monde est en train de branler Kenny dans le chat, alors que littéralement, il avait tout fait dans la grange pour que je me fasse choper à sa place? C'est un connard! Kenny, c'est un connard dans ta run car t'étais tout le temps contre lui. Mais j'étais contre lui parce que c'était une merde! C'est pas l'inverse, hein! C'est vous, si vous avez été pote avec Kenny, c'est qu'à un moment, vous vous êtes soumis à ses caprices. C'est tout! Vous vous êtes soumis à ses caprices. Et du coup, vous êtes devenus potes. Moi, j'ai fait que des choix raisonnables. Tu mens. J'ai toujours fait la raison. Toujours fait des choix de la raison, moi. En bonne intelligence.
We're in a fucking precarious position here. We gotta do something about
Settle
that.
down, Kenny. They took everything. We have to keep a level head.
Il a perdu sa famille, miskin. On récolte ce que l'on sème. Mec horrible.
He's right. You don't know Bill like we do.
Bill? This whole time it's Carver, Carver, Carver. Now he's fucking Bill?
Ah, dis bien.
Oh, I see what it is. Y'all are just getting a ride home, aren't you? That's what's going on here.
Say that again.
I'd stay out of this, boy.
Mister, I ain't a boy.
No, right. You're a man.
You don't understand. He's different. It's worse.
C'est vraiment
The
Negan.
fuck are you talking about?
He wants to punish us.
Negan, je vais le dire en français son blaze. Negan. Parce qu'à chaque fois, je suis à deux doigts du N-word, il va me foutre dans la merde avec son prénom de con, l'autre.
Is he gonna kill us?
I don't think so.
He ain't gonna get the fucking chance.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
Oh, he gave me a pretty good goddamn idea back at the lodge, and I don't intend to sit around here and let that happen to the rest of us. I'm trying to help.
I'm sure Walter really appreciated your help.
Voilà,
It's
dis bien.
not fair. You're
Dis bien.
blaming him for the actions of a
En vrai, il est pour rien,
madman.
ça, pour le coup.
Pointing out that regardless of intent, there are consequences to rash actions. Something that he seems to be misreading as capitulation.
I don't know what the fuck you're saying, but I know it's bullshit. We have to do something.
Kenny, you can't reason with him.
Oh shit. Jackpot.
Sit down. You're
Il va
going to get
frotter
us
sa
all
corde sur
killed.
le truc coupé.
Y'all don't know what you're talking about. We get cooped up in some kennel like a bunch of fucking dogs, it's over.
You don't know that.
Yeah? Well, I've been in this situation
Il faut qu'on
before.
réagisse.
You ever been a prisoner?
On peut pas se laisser
Kenny's
faire.
right. We have to do something. We can't just sit here.
How
Il y
is
aura
it
des
the kid's
conséquences,
the
mais,
only one that sees what's going on here?
Clem, the adults are talking.
Is that what this is?
All right, now we're talking.
Carver will be on the other side of that door with 10 people.
There, baby. It's okay.
Là, faut juste qu'il reprenne la corde et qu'il fasse semblant de l'avoir
At
autour
this point,
des
maybe Luke
points.
is the only hope we have.
If he
Faut
was
qu'il fasse
gonna do
semblant d'être
something,
attraché,
he'd
là,
have
mais il est
done
trop
it by
con.
now.
Who knows what he's dealing with? Anything can happen out there.
I'll tell you what happened. He abandoned us.
You don't know that.
I know he ain't here.
He may not be around, but he wouldn't just leave us behind.
That guy's a flake.
Luke va
I could
nous
tell the
aider.
second I set eyes on him.
Luke will help us.
Oh yeah? When?
Ça,
After
j'y
that
crois, moi.
crazy
C'est le
fucks
goat.
killed us all? Hey, look, Clem.
Après, Luke, il va nous aider dans 15 ans. Hein. Luke, il a pas de bagnole hein, pour suivre un
They
camion. Hein.
have guns. What exactly do you expect to do?
I'm gonna punch the first son of a bitch I see. Then I'm gonna take his gun and use it to shoot the next son of a bitch I see.
Just sit down.
Shut up, Doc. This ain't your call. Hey, just, if something happens, just help out, okay? Don't, get yourself hurt or nothing, but
Mais
any
pourquoi
help
il demande toujours de l'aide à une enfant de 11 ans? Et je comprends pas, genre, je ne comprends pas la logique dans ce putain de jeu. Ah, si, essaie de pas te faire trouver la peau, mais si tu peux m'aider. J'ai 11 ans! 11 ans!
Good.
Je joue au Joust.
Hey, Clem, look at me. You trust me, right?
Kenny, please, just listen to them. They know him, what he's capable of.
C'est un mauvais plan.
Maybe we should wait. Maybe come up with a different plan.
Okay, hon. That's okay. That's okay.
C'est un plan de merde. Il va sauter
Alright.
sur un tout seul.
Kenny! Kenny, are you okay?
Is he okay?
Il faut faire semblant de
I
il
think
faut le
so.
rattacher. Hein.
Oh, what hit me?
It's probably for the best.
Faut qu'il s'attache ou quoi hein. Mais bon, sauter sur un mec qui a une mitraillette quand il y en a 50 autres qui ont une mitraillette, c'est vraiment débile.
All right, up and at him.
Et il y aurait eu des morts. C'est sûr.
The fuck? How'd you get your restraints off? Come here.
We've got some familiar faces back with us tonight. Now, I understand some of you are confused as to why we bring these people back when they left us as they did.
Think I've got an idea.
Now, it might not come all at once, but time will heal these wounds. So be patient with them until it does. And take solace in knowing that they're here to help us make our home a better place. All these feelings you have of anger, betrayal, hate, they're all valid. No one needs to forget what they did. But we do have to find it in our hearts to forgive them.
Look how much food they have.
Well, I
the
hope you
fuck?
ain't saying what I think you're saying.
As many of you already know, a large herd of lurkers gathers just
Attends, mais ils sont suréquipés, eux, c'est quoi ce bazar?
I need you for something.
Can it wait until morning? We're all exhausted.
But rest
Just come the
assured that
fuck
if it
on.
does turn our way, it's nothing we can't handle. Some
I need
of you
him.
have
I need my
voiced your
dad.
concerns about the
Il peut se taire le général de Gaulle là.
He looks after me.
They have been taken into consideration. However, this is not up for debate. The expansion project will move forward.
He'll be back. When? I don't know, but he will come back. Thanks, Clem.
And with the added manpower joining us this evening, I have no doubt that we will continue.
Make sure
to
y'all
grow
stay off the
and
fence.
prosper.
Bill can
It's
see
no
you for
longer
messing
enough
with it.
just to survive. It's our obligation.
Mais il casse les couilles, le
to
boucle
make
là.
this community a beacon of hope.
Thanks, Barney.
Yep.
To provide a light, a bright light, bright enough to shine in all this darkness. So that is what we'll do.
Y'all best get some rest, because there ain't gonna be much for you tomorrow. You're gonna be working hard.
That's for you.
Ils veulent faire de nous des
It
esclaves.
would be. Fucking Bill. Keeps me out in the cold, but at least I'll be comfortable.
Hey, guys.
Reggie! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What did they do to you?
This could have been worse, trust me. I'm lucky to be alive.
It's my fault.
No, it's really not.
C'est qui? C'est qui les gars? J'ai oublié, je crois. C'est qui ce mec? Je suis censé le connaître ou pas? Ou juste c'est des potes qui se retrouvent et moi je sais pas qui c'est? On l'a pas vu, ok.
I would tell you if it was. This happened well after you guys left. I guess I should say
Reggie
it's nice
helped
to
us
see you, but
when we ran away.
it's a bummer.
I know. I feel the same way.
Why didn't he go with you guys when you left? I think maybe he was supposed to, but then he fell, and everybody kept running. I know he had both his arms then.
Ah, il a dû se faire choper.
They got me working outside. Lurker snuck up on me while I was hammering something. Luckily, they took the arm off quick. Saved my life.
That's awful. I'm so sorry.
C'est vrai que ça marche ça.
Look, it was my choice to help you guys.
Alvin, Carver wants you in his office.
What? Why?
Don't make this difficult. It's too late for that. No.
Dans
please.
l'épisode où j'ai pas aidé le mec qui se fait mordre, il se serait fait sauver ou pas? Ou c'est un gros spoil pour la suite? Si c'est un spoil, me répondez pas. Si ça spoil pas la suite, vous pouvez me dire. Genre, est-ce qu'on aurait pu l'amputer, par exemple, ou pas du tout? Qui s'appelle, je sais plus comment il s'appelait. Le goat qui s'est fait mordre et du coup j'ai aidé le connard. Non. Ok, bon, j'ai bien fait alors.
It's okay, Beck. Just get some rest. If he wanted to do something to me, he'd have done it already.
Nana, tu peux regarder, t'as rien loupé. T'as vraiment rien loupé du tout. En gros, on a été pris au piège par le groupe armé qui était dans le chalet. Et là, on vient d'arriver dans notre prison. Genre, vraiment, t'as rien loupé.
I'll be fine. Let's see what he wants.
Hey, Reggie.
Oh, hey, Troy.
Don't go fucking up now. Bill's real close to letting you out of here. You make sure things stay nice and quiet out here tonight, and I'll be sure to let Bill know just how helpful you were.
Yeah, you can count on me.
Ils veulent le tèche parce qu'il a qu'un bras et qu'il est moins utile.
Don't mention it.
Oh, right. Let me introduce you. We were with them when we got caught.
Hey, I'm Reggie.
That's Sarita,
Hello.
and that's Kenny.
Hey,
Hello. Who are you? This freaks you out.
My name's Clementine.
It's very nice to meet you, Clementine.
Il est argentieux.
Hey, where's Carlos?
Bill's already got him looking at some folks.
Oh, okay. Good. What about Pete?
can you guys save it for the morning? Some of us gotta be up early.
C'est qui ça?
Who's that? I don't know.
I don't recognize the voice.
No problem. Sorry about that. Okay, that's Mike. He's kind of a dick when he's tired, but like I said, he saved my life, so I put up with that shit. Bill put him to work outside the wall with me.
I'm so sorry.
Stop with all the sorry. It was my choice. Besides, he said once you were all caught, he'd let me rejoin the group, so I'm glad you're here. I'm just joking.
I know.
I mean, he did say that, but I'm not happy about it.
Why is she off by herself?
Who?
Her, over there.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay, so she's fucking weird. They found her sneaking around outside the camp covered in guts and just like the grossest shit.
It's probably best not to stare.
Ok.
I know how it must look, but it's really not that bad here.
Reggie.
No, I'm serious. Where else are you going to find food like we have? We've got the canned stuff, and now with the greenhouses coming along, we've got fresh food. The building's getting more and more secure all the time, mostly through forced labor, but that's only temporary. They've even got the solar panels working. When was the last time you had electricity, huh?
Well, we just came from a lodge with a wind turbine.
It's
and-
not a competition. I'm just saying, it's
Elle
not
a
as
toujours
bad
un
as you
truc à
think.
dire, elle.
We're building something great here, guys. A real community. Bill is making it happen. Look, I've made mistakes, and he's forgiven me.
That doesn't make up for what he's done, Reggie.
It feels more like a prison.
Well,
Dis
that is
bien.
a very
Ah bah
negative
c'est moi qui ai dit en
attitude.
fait.
She's right, Reggie.
Listen, I'm really close to getting let back into the group. Once that happens, I can do a lot more to help you guys be more comfortable.
Comfortable? What do you think this
I
is?
just don't want you to mess things up for me. I've worked really hard to get to this point. Will you please just try not to cause any trouble? At least until they release me. Then, once I'm out, I could help you more. Maybe even help get you out.
Aucune
No
chance.
way.
Fucking A no way.
Aucune chance.
We can at least talk about it
Je vais
more
pas
in
rester
the
en prison en vrai.
Just have a quiet night and chat again tomorrow.
I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Look, the fact is, Bill had every reason to kill me when I helped you guys, but he didn't. Obviously, I don't know what happened while you were all gone, but he's given me a second chance, and I know he'd do the same for you.
Reggie, I don't want a second chance.
Je comprends
I want to
son
be
point de
with
vue,
my
mais à partir du moment où c'est
family.
forcé, bah
That's
nique ta
it.
mère quoi.
Your family is safer here.
I need to sit down.
Yeah, come on. Sarah, can you go see if there's something for her to drink?
Okay.
Yeah, there's water over by the benches. Ah, that didn't go as planned. Should have actually made a plan.
Man, fuck that guy. I don't think we can trust him. I mean, clearly he's already drank too much of the Kool-Aid.
I
pense
think
qu'il a
he's
juste
just
peur.
scared.
Everybody's scared. Ain't an excuse to sound like a nutcase. You gotta take a
C'est vrai
look
que c'est un
around.
bouffon par contre.
We gotta know if there's anything we can exploit to get out of here. We're in a tight spot. Gonna have to wriggle our way out.
Well, what should I be looking for?
Stuff that they don't want us to know about. That Troy asshole's gone for now. This is our chance. Don't worry about Reggie. I'll go help run interference on him.
Moi je suis pas pour rester là, honnêtement. Même si c'est safe et tout, vu que c'est un
Walker
truc
just
forcé, bah
snuck
c'est
up on
forcément
you, huh?
puant quoi.
Yep, I was distracted. Just wasn't thinking. There's all kinds of noise, hammering.
Ouais, moi je
and
le
stuff.
comprends, hein, Clémy, mais.
I saw its shadow. It moved in front of one of our work lamps down here and knocked it over.
Mais bon, on est captif donc.
That's when it got me.
Donc ça peut pas se passer comme ça.
Hey, Clem, come on. Don't be like that.
She ain't doing nothing wrong, Reggie. Just relax.
How can I relax when she's walking around touching everything?
Allez, je suis une enfant, laisse-moi tranquille.
I saw a fella try that a few months ago.
Intéressant, hein.
Just ended up bleeding out. Ended up turning anyway.
Yeah, like I said, it felt like Mike had done it before. Hit a tourniquet on me real quick.
Tout le chemin qu'on a fait en bagnole, les autres sont à pied, ils vont jamais qu'à savoir où on est. Hein. Techniquement, c'est impossible qu'ils nous retrouvent, je pense.
Looks kinda
À moins qu'ils
crappy.
nous aient observés du début à la fin aux jumelles ou j'en sais rien. Je vois pas trop comment ils vont pouvoir faire quoi que ce soit.
So, how'd you end up with a name like Reggie?
Kenny!
What? I'm just
Hmm.
asking.
Looks
No, it's okay.
rickety.
It's not my real name. On my first day in the US, I stopped and got a coffee, and the girl.
Moi, je veux parler à la meuf
Nick.
bizarre.
My name, so I told her
Just
it was
thinking about
Reggie.
Luke. Just-
Then I just stood
there's
there
no
while the
way
guy
he's
yelled
gone.
Reggie for 5
That he
minutes.
left.
And that's
How
when I
about it?
thought I should really get
Because
out
me,
ahead of this.
I known him for damn near 20 years now. and I
Aucune
can't
chance.
buy it.
I think you're right. He'd never leave you guys behind.
Us guys, you mean?
Yeah, us guys.
Guess I'll try and get some
Je
sleep.
pense vraiment
You
qu'il
should
a juste,
too.
il a pas,
They're gonna
il est pas
ride our
intervenu
asses
pour pas qu'il y ait des
tomorrow
morts en
for
plus,
sure.
je pense.
Okay.
Night.
Guess it's better than the
Oh,
ground.
merci beaucoup Cassé, c'est trop gentil. Merci, ça fait longtemps. Merci beaucoup, vraiment. Merci 1000 fois. Merci énormément pour le soutien, c'est très gentil. T'es qui toi? Ok, on le saura jamais.
Hello?
Get lost.
Cool. Merci mec. Je vais aller parler à tout le monde. On a qu'à foutre le feu aux palettes qui maintiennent le mur, hein. Je sais pas pourquoi. Je sais pas pourquoi on réfléchit trop. Des palettes en bois qui maintiennent les grillages, on les brûle.
I didn't treat him very well these last few weeks. Things got so complicated so fast. It became all about getting through each day. I'm trying real hard to remember the last
Tiens,
time
on va le voir
I
instant.
told him that I loved
Bah,
him.
je pense pas, on a l'air d'être à
I've
part
been
quand
racking my
même.
brain.
Il y a au moins le temps de cramer le truc.
I'm sure he knows. In his heart, I'm sure he knows.
Ça prendra un temps fou. Ouais, peut-être.
I hope that's true. All right, get going. I'll be fine.
Faut qu'elle arrête de prendre une meuf de 12 ans pour sa psy. C'est assez réel. C'est assez réel. Ils me surestiment tous. Je suis une enfant. Bon, après, je suis une enfant extrêmement réfléchie, contrôlée par un gars de 34 ans, donc en plus de ça, d'une grande intelligence. Mais bon.
Well, out with it. Do you see any way out of here?
Did you?
Well, not really. Place is pretty secure. A whole house full of building supplies? I guess it ought to be.
Bon, bah heureusement qu'on n'a pas foutu le feu. Là, on était cook.
Dad!
Ils avaient besoin d'un médecin, je pense.
Alright, go the fuck to sleep. I'm shooting the first one of y'all I see wandering around before sunup.
Ah, ok.
Troy, where's Alvin?
Everybody get to bed.
Some of these folks ain't too keen on leaving. It's up to us to figure out a way out of here. You up for it? It's your decision.
Je vais essayer.
I'll try.
You'll do just fine. Now get some sleep.
Je suis obligé de montrer que j'ai des doutes quand même. On sait même pas laver les dents, c'est horrible. Les gens qui se lavent pas les dents avant d'aller se coucher, pour moi, vous êtes des énigmes. Littéralement des énigmes. Soutenir le regard. Voilà, sous Big Starring.
Get up.
Voilà, qu'est-ce qu'il y a
Bill's gonna
maintenant?
have a word.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
There's been increased
Tu t'endors
walker
sans faire exprès, sans
activity
te
along
brosser,
the
ça n'arrive
fence, so
absolument
be mindful
jamais.
when outside
Pas
the
une seule fois.
walls. The herd's moved a little closer as of this morning, but that still doesn't necessarily mean we'll be hit. No, we're monitoring the situation. Now, there are some folks might be sore about what happened and how things went. Well, that's all in the past now. Some of you are new to our community. Some of you are members who went astray. But know that you can find redemption here, forgiveness, by proving your worth through what will undoubtedly be hard work. Reggie, you're nearly back in. Keep following the path and we'll welcome you back with open arms.
How'd you sleep?
I'll let Reggie be an example
I
to
was
you all.
so tired.
Salvation
Putain,
is
ferme-la.
available, but it
I didn't even
must be
realize
earned.
that. Pay attention.
Kenneth will be
We'll
taking
talk
over
later,
Reggie's
okay?
duties outside the
Okay,
walls.
yeah. Sounds good.
Mais ta gueule!
Michael will continue on,
I just
showing
thought
his
it was
value.
nice to finally...
Carlos!
Yes?
Your child seems to be in need of correction.
I'm sorry. Sarah, apologize to Mr. Carver.
Sorry, sir.
No, that ain't gonna cut it. I can't have this kind of behavior on day one of your reform. You discipline her now, Carlos.
How do you propose that
One good smack across the mouth should do it. It'll make her think twice before opening it up again. Go on, we'll wait.
J'aurais dû lui dire de la fermer.
I'm not sure with my hand that I could...
Well, that's why you got two hands, Carlos. Come on. Not some namby-pamby thing, all right? A good hard smack. Otherwise, Troy here will do it for you. I don't think you want
Voilà,
that.
fuck Montessori, il a
He
raison.
can be
Des grosses mandales dans la gueule.
overzealous. Is that the word?
If it means I'll slap the
Bon, lui,
shit
je vais
out
le
of
buter,
him,
voilà, je vous le dis.
then yeah.
Go on,
C'est de
Carlos.
ma faute.
It's my
Hey,
fault.
no one's fucking talking to you.
Unless you want one of what she's about to get, I'd pipe down, Missy.
Vas-y, mets-la moi à moi, la claque. Je peux tanker, j'ai 11 ans. Je suis une adulte aux yeux de tout le monde.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm
Close your
sorry.
eyes, honey. It's only going to sting for a second.
C'est horrible. Il va lui dire c'est pas assez fort. Oh putain. J'ai rien dit. Mais il a mis une droite là. Il s'est régalé. Il en a profité carrément.
I'm sorry, Sarah.
Stop! You're not cuddling that girl anymore.
Oh
Better
putain.
sit there. Think about
Il l'a
what she's
enculé.
done. Troy, get Carlos to his post. Everyone else should have their assignments. It's time to get to work.
God damn. You really knocked the shit out of her, Doc.
Everyone get to work.
You're working in the armory. Follow me.
Soil, coming up!
God damn this thing!
Oh, shit.
Clementine!
Who's this?
She's one of the new people. She was with Carlos and Sarah. and
Sarah? I wish she'd stayed gone.
She's had a hard time, Becca.
So have we. We're not sitting on the ground like babies.
Go on inside. Bonnie's waiting.
Hey,
Salut, Signé.
I guess you're starting your day with me. We're loading magazines. Well, that's it. You got it. I suppose I owe you an apology. I wasn't truthful when I came across y'all at the lodge, and I was shown a kindness I never would have expected from a group of strangers. But now folks are dead, and I can't help but feel I'm to blame. But the plan was for no one to get hurt. I truly believe that was the intent.
It was just a bad situation. That got worse. A lot of people are to blame.
That's big of you.
Faut pas que je me la mette à dos parce que elle a l'air de la rendre de l'empathie, ça veut dire qu'elle pourrait trahir potentiellement son groupe.
I apologize. Which don't account for much, but it's all I can offer right now.
Mais Clem trouve plus facilement du travail que moi, putain.
I know it ain't so comfortable, but it's safe. Which is more than I can say about a lot of places out there.
You mean my first night in prison?
It ain't a prison, more of a work release.
Didn't they do those in prisons?
C'est carrément une prison.
Probably. I don't know. I never been to prison. Don't tell no one. Trying to keep a tough reputation. I was supposed to go. When Luke and Carlos and all them left, I was planning on leaving too. When Luke approached me about it, I thought he was crazy. I mean, we're safe here.
Je vais pas lui dire les autres trucs. Je veux pas la braquer.
Why didn't you? Leave, I mean.
If I'm being honest, I guess I chickened out. I justified
Je suis sûr qu'elle va
not going
trahir
by
les
telling
autres.
myself it's
Qu'elle
easier
va
to
nous
try
aider.
and change something that's broken than start all over. Take this situation with the herd. That's the type of thing that rips a community apart. He keeps things in line. He's got a lot of this stuff figured out. I don't know. I guess I just wanted to be somewhere comfortable for a while.
What changed?
I don't know. I've been trying to figure that out myself.
Salut Lucie, t'as loupé un banger, va voir
It
sur la
ain't
chaîne.
easy keeping a group this big fed and protected. I don't envy that position. Figured that'd make anyone a little stressed. I'm not defending what he did. That was... I'm alive because of him. That's just a fact.
He killed Walter.
Only to protect his own people. Kenny could have killed us all.
But he didn't.
Bill overreacted. He was in the heat of the moment, and he overreacted. Luke had ideas about how things should go, but they didn't line up with what Bill was thinking. They butted heads. Then Rebecca started showing, and that only made things worse. Maybe Luke was right about him. I wish he was around, but I just hope he's safe.
Bah j'espère aussi.
Hey Bonnie, is that girl down there? I need to come get her.
Yeah, she's here.
Bah déjà, j'ai mis 3 munitions. Bon. Ah bah salut, fin du
I'm
taf.
sure it's fine.
Post-déj.
Oh, almost forgot. I grabbed this for you.
Si c'est à manger, ça devient ma meilleure pote. Ah bon bah c'est pas ma pote.
Huh? What do you think?
Oh pas mal en vrai.
I found it at the lodge y'all were at. Think it might be for skiing.
Elle est moche, elle est chouette.
I like it.
Well, I'm glad. I thought it was cute, but I didn't know what you'd think. You better watch yourself. I think some folks might be jealous of that cool jacket of yours.
Oh, there you are. What's with the ugly jacket?
Tavia.
What?
Never mind. I'll see you later, Clementine.
Come on.
Later. Putain, bon vas-y, nique
Follow
sa
me.
mère.
Come
Nique
on.
sa mère. Je me mets sous coupe de merde, mais j'en peux plus de ma casquette. Ça me gratte la tête. Je sais pas pourquoi. Donc là maintenant on sait ce qu'il y a en haut de l'échelle quoi.
Stay in here for a minute. I'm gonna radio down and find out what you're doing. Don't touch anything.
Je vais tout fumer. Merci Zola. Merci beaucoup.
Hey,
Tu veux un câlin? Tu dois être forte. Tout va bien?
you have to be tough, Sarah. Everything is harder now, but you have to be tough to survive.
Voilà, ça c'est du vrai conseil ça.
My dad's never hit me before,
C'est pas lui qui t'a frappé.
even when
C'est
I was
Carver.
really bad. He never hit me. He didn't want to do it, Sarah. Carver made him. He's the bad guy, not your dad. So, in a weird way, Carver's the one that hit you, not your dad.
Voilà.
I guess so. Carver hit me super hard, because it still hurts like crazy.
Et oui, je sais pas pourquoi il l'a enculé
It
comme ça
looked
par
like
contre.
it. Well, thanks for trying to help. I don't know why people have to be so mean. Like, even when I'm really mad, I still don't want to hurt anyone.
Don't mess this up.
Yeah, I get it.
Reggie's in charge here, okay? Listen to him carefully.
Yep, no problem, Tavia. Okay, we gotta do a good job, guys. The camp is counting on us. Come on, I'll show you what.
Mais lui c'est le susboule originel par contre. Hein.
Pick up a pair of those shears. Okay, so we're picking these berries, right? Just pick them, put them in the basket. Simple. While you're at it, if you see any dead branches, take those shears and cut them off and stack them neatly
Elle va en
for
manger, elle va
compost.
se faire déchirer.
Got it?
Ouais, il aurait pu faire un entre-deux, Etienne. J'ai pensé pareil, mais je pense qu'il y a un entre-deux.
Is she gonna be okay?
Ouais, bah comme quelqu'un qui s'est pris une
'Cause what
tarte dans sa
happened
gueule,
down
quoi.
there? That was straight fucked up. I don't want her freaking out and getting me in trouble.
I talked to her. I think she's okay.
Tu vois, il pense qu'à sa gueule, lui, c'est une merde en vrai, hein.
Cause I'm awful at that stuff. Look, Bill's had it out for me ever since I helped those guys escape, so I gotta concentrate on my work.
C'est une merde en vrai, lui. Allez, range ta main.
That was awkward.
Il veut servir que
I
ses
won't
intérêts, il
do
s'en
that
fout des
again.
autres.
I'm gonna go work now.
Hey. Here, watch me. This isn't that hard, Sarah. I know, I'm just afraid I'll make a mistake. It won't be the end of the world if you do. Just keep going.
Ah, shit.
Oh no.
You didn't do any of your work, Clem.
Just checking in. See how the new girls are working out. Reggie.
Yeah, Bill. Hey.
What the fuck happened in here?
Look, Bill, they're new, and me with my arm, it's just not the easy. I have one arm.
Shut up,
so-
shut up. Shut the fuck up. You better have an explanation for this. And I mean now.
Bill, please,
Sounds like you're about to give me...
Attends, loulou. Attends, chérie. Attends, parce que là, c'est important, là. C'est quoi, tu veux me donner un truc ou tu veux venir? Ah, mais attends, parce que du coup, je dois débrancher le ventilo et tout. Viens. Oh, merci beaucoup, mon amour. C'est quoi, t'as encore trouvé des framboises? tu veux dire bonjour aux copains? Tiens, viens. Tu leur dis vite fait, hein, parce que là, on est en plein dans un truc. Oui, j'ai vu, il y a un papillon. Tu leur dis coucou les copains?
Coucou.
Tu leur dis ce que t'as fait? T'es allé faire quoi avec maman, là?
Maman, a récupéré des framboises.
Elle a récupéré des framboises. Il y en a pour tout le monde?
Oui.
Oh, t'es trop gentil.
Papa?
Oui?
T'as vu, le papillon est toute petite.
Il est tout petit, le papillon, oui.
Et lui est énorme.
Oui, lui, il est énorme parce qu'il est sur le grand écran et l'autre, c'est le retour.
Lui, il dit coucou.
Ouais, ils te disent coucou. Tu leur envoies des bisous? C'est trop chou.
Papillon de lumière.
Papillon de lumière, elle sort ça d'où? Oh non, t'as pas fait ça. Papillon de lumière. Ça, c'est Internet sur tes ça. Bisous, mon loup. Papillon de lumière. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a chanté hier? Attends, qu'est-ce qu'elle a chanté? Vous connaissez la chanson « Il fait toujours beau au-dessus des nuages ». Est-ce que vous la connaissez? Bref, elle l'adore, elle l'a chantée dans le lit pendant que je la couchais. Et elle a fait un remix, je sais pas pourquoi. J'ai été mort de rire. Elle voulait pas dormir, ça faisait 2 heures que j'essayais de la faire dormir, il était 21h30 et tout. Et elle disait « Il fait toujours beau au-dessus des nuages ». Imaginez, hein, après 1h30 à essayer de la faire dormir, à faire le roi du silence et tout dans le lit, j'entends ça. « Il fait toujours beau au-dessus des nuages. Si j'étais un oiseau, je serais un escargot, me jetterais par la fenêtre. » Voilà, elle fait ça, c'était son remix. « Si j'étais un oiseau, je serais un escargot, je me jette par la fenêtre. » Voilà. Elle chantait ça. Je sais pas pourquoi. Je sais pas pourquoi elle chantait ça. Du coup, je me retenais de pas rire. De rire. Parce que je voulais pas du tout la réveiller. Enfin, la réveiller dans le sens où lui redonner du pouce. Du coup, je me retenais. Mais elle m'a rendu ouf avec ses remixes de cons là.
Asked for an explanation.
J'étais un escargot, je me jetterais par
Just give us some more
fenêtre.
time.
Time's up, Reggie. You had a task. You didn't get it done. Looks to me like you failed.
Reggie, he didn't show us.
C'est vrai.
Bill, hey,
Les gars, la vérité c'est que j'ai répondu au pif, il y avait 3 choix. Et j'ai pas eu le temps de lire les choix parce que je vous racontais une anecdote. Mais en vrai, il nous a rien montré du tout. En vrai, il nous a pas montré.
look, I didn't have time, okay? I was afraid, okay? I wanted to do well. I know how close I am, I know, and I just wanted to do the best I could.
We talked about this, Reggie. Didn't we? But you just don't get it, do you?
Get what?
Why don't you girls wait outside? Reggie and I have a few things to talk about.
Le pauvre, je suis trop une merde. Après, en vrai de vrai, Régie est une merde. Je vous dis la vérité. Merci pour votre aide, les filles. Oh non, bichette, ça me fait de mal au cœur du coup. T'es un monstre, j'ai répondu au pif, Enzo.
Are you okay?
I gave you plenty of chances.
Please, Bill! No! 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 Please! Ah!
Weakness, incompetence. It puts us all at risk. And it
Parfois tu peux répondre au pif et c'est pas grave. Là j'ai l'impression que d'avoir répondu au pif, ça a eu des conséquences désastreuses. J'ai vraiment eu l'impression que le moment où j'ai répondu au hasard, il y a eu ça fait un petit souci. Plus de soucis que ce que je pensais.
won't be tolerated. You think about that the next time
La
you're asked
décision
to
la
do
plus importante
something.
faite au pif.
Get downstairs. Bonnie's got some stuff for you to do. Go!
Là, je pourrais faire demi-tour, courir et le pousser par le toit, voilà, je vous le dis. J'aurais pu.
Oh, hey. So, they want you to run some supplies out to the guys working at the expansion? Real simple, just take this over to them. That jacket looks real nice. I don't know what Jamie's talking about. What's wrong? Clem? You alright?
Reggie's dead.
What? What are you talking about?
Carver killed him. He pushed him off the roof.
Maybe it was just an accident. Listen to me. Take this stuff out to those guys and come straight back. Just be safe, okay? Now ain't the time to be calling attention to yourself. I need to go find out what happened. Hey, Troy! Clem's just gonna take them boys some nails.
All right.
Go on.
Hey, that ain't your concern. Get that stuff over to them boys.
Eh ben,
Just
putain.
follow them cables.
I ain't nobody's laborer. Fuck that. Let them do this shit themselves if it's so goddamn important.
Get your fucking hands off me,
You ain't
man.
gonna force me to do this bullshit.
I said get your hands off me.
Or what? You gonna go tell on me?
I'm trying to help you, asshole.
Yeah, this is a real help. Why don't you just worry about yourself?
Reggie's dead. Carver killed him.
What?
You sure? Or did you...
Shit! Fuck! Grab something!
Attends, ça fait beaucoup là. Mais c'est la méga merde là. Dis bien, dis bien. Oh merde. Oh waouh. Je suis dans la merde de fou. Voilà, dis bien. Peut-être je peux monter l'échelle. Je sais pas. Oui, allez. Mais je peux rien faire, les gars. Je spam comme un fou. Je ne peux rien faire. Bah, c'est impossible. Je pense qu'il va se passer un truc, je sais pas. Je suis bon bas. Ah, ok.
Get up. Get out of there. Come on. Make me save your ass. Jesus.
Oh, thank God you're okay.
All right, enough mushy shit. You get back inside right fucking now. I'm sure they got shit for you to do in there. Now! Think I'm fucking around? Now I gotta sit down here and babysit you assholes. Can't do a simple fucking patch job without me here cracking the whip?
Il perd rien pour attendre, lui, je vous le dis. Hein. Faut pas que je me débatte.
No!
Hey,
Stop!
hey, it's me, Luke. Okay, just calm down. Come all this way. This is the welcome I get.
I was worried. We all were.
No, it's good to see you too, kid. All right, listen, we ain't got much time. Okay, I followed y'all here best I could. Haven't had a night's rest since y'all got nabbed. And, well, it's the first chance I got to talk to somebody. They're everywhere. Okay, they got guards watching everything. Shh, shh.
Je savais qu'il était là, ce goat.
There's a herd of lurkers just south of us. It's bigger than I ever seen around these parts.
Carver mentioned that. Said he hopes it passes us.
Yeah, I heard folks talking about that, but that ain't so. Okay, it's gonna hit this place. I know it is. Now I don't know when.
Il va se faire tuer,
but
hein,
it's
je vous
coming,
spoil,
and it's
voilà.
gonna be
Il va se
soon.
faire tuer. Tous les gens qu'on aime bien, ils se font tuer de toute façon.
To get you all free, but I haven't been able to find anything yet. They plugged up all the holes we used when we got out.
Are you feeling okay?
No.
Faut qu'il
No,
se repose en vrai.
Yeah, yes. Sorry. I just could use some sleep, you know. Hard to rest when you think a lurker's about to get the jump on you at any moment. But yeah.
Il devrait profiter d'être là pour dormir sous un bureau en cachette ou quoi.
It seems dangerous.
Well, the whole situation's dangerous, but, well, we're in it now. That's what we got. We just need a plan. No way to get you and everyone.
Luke!
Oh, sorry, shit. Okay, Troy ain't gonna like you being late. Listen, Clem, I need you to meet me here tomorrow about this time. Because I need you to get me one of those radios, okay? Do you think you can do that? Just one of those walkie-talkies. I just need to be able to tell y'all what's going on with them guards. You know, I'll figure out the schedule the patrols are on. I mean, they're all over the place, but I can keep an eye on them for y'all from out here. Look, we ain't gonna be able to shoot our way out of here, so we gotta be careful.
Okay, I'll get you one.
Thanks, Clem. I'm so glad I can count on you. Remember, you meet me here tomorrow. I'll try and be here around this time, but if I ain't, just wait as long as you can, because I really need one of those radios. And just let everybody know I'm alright, okay? I'm worried they,
Clementine, get out where I can see you.
Go on, get out of here.
The hell were you doing? Huh? Answer me.
I was hiding from walkers.
Don't go in there, you hear me? That is off fucking limits to you. Bill Radio wants a word with you up in his office. So get on up
Putain,
there,
mais
now.
je suis la reine d'Angleterre pour avoir un emploi du temps comme ça? Salut Kimbo.
Dude, you better go up and see Bill. He doesn't like to wait. So, you should probably go.
Ok, Graves.
Rebecca!
She's a strong woman, surrounded by weak men. I ain't letting my kid get raised around that. Get in here.
Alvin? Alvin!
He passed out hours ago. He can't hear nothing. No point in making a racket.
Why are you doing this?
Me and him, we got history. Understand? Couple things we had to get worked out. I wouldn't be so concerned about his well-being if I were you. Not with you being so close to the fire yourself. Now.
Peut-être pour ça que le médecin il est arrivé plus tard. Hein,
You
hier.
make sure you tell me the truth when you're sitting where you are. And you won't end up over in that chair. Now, you might not believe this after what happened earlier, but I liked Reggie. He was a funny guy. He kept things light. You need folks like that. It's
Bisous,
easy
Kimbo.
to let depression sink in during times like this. But he was weak. And I don't mean just because he was maimed. That wasn't his problem. He was weak of will and weak of character. And we can't have that around here. Not anymore. Not with what we got at stake.
Je
You
comprends.
have to be able to
Je fais
contribute.
semblant.
I understand.
I knew you were a smart girl. You see, Reggie put us at risk with his
Je trouve
incompetence.
que c'est une merde, mais je veux pas me le mettre à dos.
String of
Faut qu'il ait confiance en moi si je veux me barrer de là.
Killing one in order to save many is part of survival. It's one of the tough decisions that a weaker person couldn't make. It's why it falls to people like us to lead them to safety. You understand? Well, I wish it was different, I do. But they are weak, and we are strong. That's why it's our responsibility to shepherd the flock, to keep them safe. It's their nature to follow, not to lead.
I know. I have to do everything for them. It's exhausting.
Of course it is. But that's the role you're meant to play. And we're more alike than you think. There's no way you could have lasted this long otherwise. I realized it back in that cabin. You were scared.
But you looked me straight in the eye, kept your nerve. That's what we need. If we're gonna get through this, the next generation has to be stronger than the last to lead us out of this. Kids like you, raised the right way. The way my child will be raised. It ain't this
Tout le monde
hurt
oblige
that
11 ans dans
keeps
ce
me
truc.
up at night. We can handle that. It's not knowing if I got anyone to hand all this off to. But I ain't worried about that anymore. All right, now.
Bill, you there?
Je pense qu'il n'y a pas de bonne réponse. Genre, je pense que si je lui disais que j'allais l'aider, ça faisait trop susboule, 3 trucs d'affilée. Et les autres trucs, je me dis, ça va peut-être l'énerver pour rien.
The loading bay door is jacked. Troy really knocked the shit out of it.
How bad is it?
Rails are tweaked so it won't shut all the way. I don't think it's an emergency or anything, but it's something.
Justement, il sait qu'elle est forte comme gamine, c'est ce qu'il dit. Enzo, tu prends un enfant en CM1, CM2, tu le mets sur une chaise, CM2, hein, CM2. On lisait Luc et Ratus. CM2, tu le mets sur une chaise et tu fais un tête-tête comme ça, tu lui dis, je sais que t'es quelqu'un de fort et tout, enfin genre, s'il te plaît, c'est quand même moyen. 6ème pour le coup, mais oui. CM2, 6ème. Je vous l'accorde.
Heard on its way, and he puts a goddamn ding in my door. Go on back out to the yard.
Oui, c'est pas le même monde,
It's
ça,
almost
et on peut lui
supper
laisser le bénéfice du doute, mais bon, c'est un peu too much, moi je trouve. Beaucoup de responsabilités sur quelqu'un de 11 ans, je pense que vous réalisez pas ce que c'est une personne de 11 ans. Genre t'es vraiment un pitchoun quoi à 11 ans.
Cause we all know what happened this morning. I don't know what that son of a bitch is gonna do next.
So you want to ring the dinner bell for a herd of walkers to show up? How is that better?
Cause this place will be fucking chaos when that thing hits. No one will be paying any attention to us. And that's when we go. It's our opening. We just gotta figure out a way to draw them to us.
Your friend here wants to get us killed by lurkers before Bill can do it.
What is it with you?
That's what it sounds like to me.
Mais je suis d'accord, elle peut pas faire écolage tranquille, pour autant pourquoi il dit pas ça à Kenny par exemple? Genre en mode c'est moi le chef du groupe là, je sais pas, c'est un peu bizarre.
You know that's not what he's saying, but it does sound dangerous.
This shit is all dangerous.
Kenny, do not speak to me like that.
Okay, sorry.
Sound draws walkers. There was this girl, Molly. She used bells to control where they moved.
Yeah, that's right. She had them running all over Crawford. We just need something loud.
Well, unless you've got a megaphone tucked in your pocket, it doesn't help us much now. I still vote we get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
Oh, come on.
You know about Luke?
He flagged us down when Troy wasn't looking. Told us his plan. Mentioned he talked to you.
If Luke can tell us what's going on with the guards, we can use that to pick a good time to escape.
That seems reasonable.
Who knows when that'll be? Look, Clem had it right. We just need something loud to get their attention.
En vrai, c'est une
The
bonne idée
PA
ça. Hein.
system Carver is always using is quite loud.
There's some speakers outside the building, pointed toward the parking lot. I saw them when we were walking out to the work. Troy's always standing next to one of them.
I saw the controls. They're in Carver's office.
She's right. It's all controlled in Bill's office. There's a switch in there that'll turn them on.
How do you know that?
I used to make a lot of the announcements back in the day. I had it flipped on once. Luckily, there wasn't much around at the time to hear it. It was plenty loud, though.
That's perfect. We just gotta get into his office. Why didn't you say something sooner?
'Cause it doesn't change anything. This isn't a discussion about how to do it. It's a discussion about whether it's stupid. And it's still stupid. The sensible thing is to get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
You're real difficult to deal with sometimes.
Kenny, no, that's
Moi je pense que la horde c'est la meilleure option en effet.
Either.
Luke's in no shape to help us. You want to put our fate in that guy's hands? It's not happening.
Ou alors on donne une radio à Luke comme il veut. Vas-y Luke.
We should get the radio to Luke. It doesn't hurt to have more information.
I agree.
Au moins on fait pas des trucs au pif quoi.
Fine. We can do that. But the herd is still what's gonna get us out of here. Maybe Luke can tell us where it's hitting from. Okay, so we get that turd radio. He keeps us posted
Parle
on the
bien de
herd's
Luke par
movement.
contre.
We fire up the PA thing and bring the walkers to roll over this place.
And then what?
Get some guns and shoot our way out. I don't know. Whatever we can. We improvise.
Then that's not a plan. You don't
Dommage, ça aurait été
plan
cool de
to
récupérer l'endroit parce qu'il y a
I
vraiment
figured out
énormément
what
de
your
bouffe quoi.
problem is. You don't think this stuff through. If the end of the plan is just to stroll through a herd of walkers, then you should know from the jump there's no way it's ever going to work.
Actually, I do it all the time.
First words I ever hear you say, and it's just some crazy, stupid shit.
Hush. What do you mean exactly?
When you cover yourself in their smell, rub the walker guts all over you. I can't tell you from one of them.
Now I don't know who's crazier.
Trust me, I've walked through herds before. It works. You just have to keep calm and make sure you're good and covered.
You seem to know what you're talking about.
I've done it too.
What?
It's how we got out of the marsh house. Lee covered me and we walked right through.
Réel.
Really? Holy shit. Oh, good one, Lee. All right, what are we waiting for? Let's get that stupid radio.
We still have to find a way to get in the stockroom.
I got a plan for that too. Come on, kid. Gonna need your help.
Et allez, c'est reparti.
Where the hell did she come from?
We just need to use the winch. She can just climb up from there. Then, just drop into one of the skylights over the stockroom. There are shelves and stuff for you to land on, so you probably won't fall to your death.
Great. That thing breaks all the time. Unless something's changed, it won't support much weight.
Come on, up and at him.
Don't push her, Kenny.
She's our best bet. I mean that.
Allez, j'y vais.
Now
Ils
or
vont pas
never, I
me
guess.
faire mourir de toute façon.
That's my girl.
J'espère.
We gotta get that rope down. Mike, you wanna boost her up?
Come on, kid.
Don't let go.
I got you.
Après, il faut que je sois légère. Là, ça a du sens d'envoyer le plus léger. Sur le treuil cassé, quand même. Qui je vais choisir parmi tous ces adultes pour m'aider? Oh, une gamine de 11 ans, super. Super top. Mais là, c'est léger, là, ça a du sens. Surtout si le treuil est fragile.
Try to hurry, all right? I don't think they're the sharpest guards in the world, but they're no idiots either. They see you're not in your bunk, we're all done. Shit, he's coming back. I gotta let you go. I can't stand here. Grab something.
Ah ouais, c'est une horde de fous là. Vaut mieux les avoir très très vite les entrailles. Ah bah top.
Man, you're not gonna believe what I'm looking at. There's gotta be 2,000 or 3,000 of them out there.
In the parking lot?
2 ou 3 000, mais c'est une catastrophe en
No,
vrai.
in the parking lot. I can't see them all, but I see the dust they're kicking up.
So you're not sure?
What, about how many there are?
Yeah.
How can I be?
Fuck. I hope they pass by us.
God, yeah. You think we're ready this time?
I don't know. Bill thinks we are.
Of course he does. He did the same thing last time.
Merci le train. Oh ça lag. Ah c'est bon.
It's crazy about Reggie, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, j'aurais pouvoir réussir à en choper un.
You think Bill...
Go on.
Nah, it's just... I was wondering if you thought Bill maybe...
Spit it out, Hank.
I don't think Bill was gonna let him back in.
Huh. You don't?
No. Do you?
I don't know.
Bien sûr que non.
So really, no bullshit. You think we're ready?
I think so. The homestead, at least. I'm not sure about the expansion. They're out there just... moaning.
That's what they do.
Allez go.
It's driving me crazy. It's
Non mais Clementine c'est trop la bosse en fait.
I know what you mean.
Clementine.
I figure we'd be used to it by now.
Elle est folle par contre.
You never got used to a light buzzing or anything?
A little different when it's dead human beings walking around.
I'll give you that one.
So what are you doing tomorrow?
Bill wants me to start getting this bay door fixed.
Is that why you're down there?
Yep.
What happened to it again?
Troy backed into it when we brought the prisoners, the new people in.
Allez vite.
See, it's hard not to call them prisoners.
Anyway, I'm looking at it now. I don't think we have what we need.
Jesus, really?
We repurposed a lot of
Ah oui,
shit
2.
to get this place
Bah
built.
toujours plus, je
Can't
pense.
say for sure if we even had the materials before we started
La
exploring.
gourmandise, c'est un vilain défaut. Ben, je suis cook, ils vont forcément s'en rendre compte. Il en faut 2 pour parler. Ah bah oui. Moi je pensais qu'elle voulait juste les écouter, c'est vrai, je suis con. Enfin, qu'il voulait juste les écouter, mais c'est vrai que si... Moi dans ma tête, il voulait le truc pour les entendre. Et après il voulait qu'on se retrouve dans la petite pièce pour me dire les infos à chaque fois, à la même heure. C'est vrai que si on en a 2, on peut parler en direct. Mais bon, c'est plus risqué quoi.
You get him? Okay, jump down. I got you. We best get in bed. Troy will be back any minute.
Well?
Got him.
Ouais, moi je voulais pas la montrer à la radio pour pas qu'on se fasse griller. Mais bon.
Everybody stay where you are. No need drawing suspicion.
That was so cool.
Thank you, Clem.
I told you probably wouldn't die. Nice job.
Thanks.
Yep. Anyway, get some rest.
I thought about Duck today, about his dumb little face. First things that come to mind are always the dumb things he was doing. Kid was always running in circles. Every damn place he went, he'd just run. You couldn't stop him. Makes it harder to remember he was a good boy.
Ouais.
Well,
Le pauvre.
long day tomorrow. One long day. All right, we're all here.
Someone's got to get the radio out to Luke. What's the problem?
We should probably figure out who's doing what before we...
Time to get up. Daylight's burning. They let you sleep in, all things considered.
Where's my dad?
He's where the rest of you are going. To work. Rebecca, Nick, Sarah, Jane. If you gotta take a piss, do it now. The next break won't be for a while. Troy will be coming up for the rest of you.
Why just them?
Like I said, Troy's coming for the rest of you.
Allez, planque ça vite, toi.
All right, look. If we're gonna do something, we have to do it now. And if Luke's all we got, and we pair up with him.
I can do it. Where's the meeting?
Mike,
Yeah?
Clementine should do it.
Are you fucking kidding? No offense, but come on, that's crazy. She's a kid. Why would...
There's a million
Merci.
reasons.
Un mec
She knows what
raisonnable.
She can hide. She got the damn radio for us in the first place.
Who cares?
And I'm sorry, Mike, but I don't know you from fucking Adam, all right? And if I'm trusting someone to do something, this
Je vais la prendre. En vrai de vrai, je vais le faire par contre.
her.
Kenny's right. I should do it.
Don't do something stupid just to get some respect.
She doesn't need your respect.
Tous les autres, ils peuvent mourir. Moi, je pense que je
All right,
peux pas
little
mourir.
chickens, let's get to pecking.
All right.
And don't think today's gonna be like yesterday. No way. No shenanigans. This rooster's gonna be surveilling your ass every second of the day, you hear? Got that? I'm afraid I need an answer, girl.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Oh, you have your pockets all out. Gonna get your tags all snagged on something.
Oh, let's go.
C'est bien, bien joué, c'était pas grillé en plus. Vraiment tip top, hein.
Hey, she's with me?
Oh shit, I almost forgot.
Yeah.
Well, take her then. I don't care.
C'est vraiment fils de
Wait, what's going on?
Elle va voir l'antenne
Never
sortir du
mind.
manteau vu qu'elle regarde tout le temps mon manteau et elle va me couvrir.
Come on, City.
Je vous le dis, hein. Écoutez-moi bien, vous l'avez entendu
Can't
ici
you
en
cut her
premier.
a break? She'd really rather keep with us, people she knows.
It's nothing that'll hurt her.
Okay. It's okay.
Come on.
Tellement raciste Enzo, une dinguerie.
I just wanted to make sure you were all right. I didn't believe you when you told me about Reggie. I ran and found Bill once I left you. Figured even if he had done it, he'd make up some sort of excuse, but Bill was just so matter-of-fact about it. Like he'd pulled up a weed or something, like it had to be done, and that was just one of those moments when your blood runs cold. Goose pimples up and down your arm. 'Cause it turns out the person you thought you knew was never there. You look anxious, Clementine. Something the matter? You know you can talk to me, right? I was dishonest when I first met you, but I swear on everything holy that'll never happen again. You can trust me.
I need to talk to Kenny.
Do you now? I can understand you're uncomfortable. I won't force you to be around me if you don't want to. Go on back out and be with Kenny.
Merde, putain, je m'attendais pas à ce que ce soit ça, l'issue, là. Ok. Bon, c'est une bonne chose, je pense. Je pense que ça reste une bonne chose, mais je m'attendais pas à ce que ça fasse ça, cette interaction. Je pensais qu'elle se dirait juste pas que je lui donne ma confiance trop facilement, tu sais. Je m'attendais pas à ça.
Luke? Luke? It's me, Clementine. It's safe to come out.
Bah, il est où ce connard? Il se fout de ma gueule ou quoi? Bah, what the fuck?
Luke? Where is he? Was he sleeping here? Luke, if you're hiding, come out. Luke!
Oh.
I swear to Christ you're gonna regret this.
I was...
You ain't supposed to be out here.
C'est un fou, lui!
You people been here one fucking day and already you're fucking up. Well, you wait and see what happens. Move! Hey! Get over there.
And how is it that we're repaid for our trust? With treachery? With deceit?
Ah merde, s'est fait choper.
They caught him.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Oh putain.
Whatever you were planning is over. It's done. You can't just run from your problems. You can't just up and leave when it gets tough. Because there's nowhere else you can go where it ain't. Tough is all we got now. Get that through your fucking skulls. Luke here, he can't help you now. You gotta help yourselves.
Mais comment il s'est fait choper, cette
You
andouille?
gotta help me find the strength to forgive you. Now you can start by telling me where the other one is. I'm gonna count to 3. If that radio ain't in my hand by then, we'll have to make things more difficult.
Lui, c'est le fou du bus, hein. Je dis direct que je l'ai la radio.
2.
I
got it right here.
Non.
It's all right.
Oh non, Kenny.
Sorry about that.
Il va se
Not
prendre une
sure
balle.
what I was thinking.
3.
motherfucker.
No!
God! Jesus Christ! Stop!
Stop him! Somebody stop him!
Troy, do
Let me
something!
go!
Clementine, help
You
me!
don't have to do this, Bill!
No! Stop it! Kenny! Kenny!
Little shit.
Mais c'est le fou du bus, lui.
Bill! That's enough, Bill! Please! Bill, there's a breach!
All right, everyone come with me. Bonnie, you stick around. Make sure these folks don't get into any more trouble.
Allez, Bonnie, c'est l'heure d'être gentil, là.
Okay.
No supper for y'all tonight. Maybe an empty stomach will give you some perspective. And we'll try this again tomorrow.
Bonnie, ça peut pas se passer comme ça.
Do your best with him, Carlos.
C'est notre chance.
You need to get him able to move, because we're leaving tonight. We're leaving tonight.
La goutte! Me dites pas que c'est la fin de l'épisode.
Ow. Dang it.
What'd she say?
She said she can get us out of the pen if we can get the PA system going. Second she hears it, she'll run over and spring us.
That's great.
It's not great.
What are you talking about?
Look, I know part of this is my fault. I know. I was hungry.
On peut pas rester là.
I was trying to steal some food, and I got caught.
We can't stay here.
Exactly. We have no idea how long Alvin's got before Bill just kills him. We have to leave now.
Look, I hear what you're saying, but it's risky.
It is pretty damn risky, guys.
Vas-y, on s'en fout.
Risky. Did you see what that son of a bitch just did? Look, the plan works. Nothing needs to change. It's all set up. The hard part is done.
De toute façon, on avait qu'un fou.
Crazy. Who knows what he'll do next?
Voilà, bah exactement.
But
Non
now
mais lui
we're
c'est le
dealing
go-to.
with the guy beat to shit, Sarita in no shape to do anything, and I'm a goddamn mess. Look, we should rest up, okay? We should bide our time, and we should wait for an opening.
Bonnie's agreeing to help us tonight.
And that doesn't mean she can't do it some other night.
I don't know, guys. Luke's making sense. Maybe we should wait.
We're not waiting.
Ain't nothing out there, guys. Trust me, I looked. There's no food. There's no supplies. They picked everything clean.
En vrai, la logique, ça serait d'attendre et de fuir plus tard. Mais je me dis, il y a un monde où on attend et l'autre il pète un plomb, il tue Kenny. Il y a un monde où on attend, il pète un plomb et... Faut qu'on se barre en vrai. En vrai de vrai, je pense qu'il faut qu'on se barre, moi. Vous me dites ce que vous en pensez, mais pour moi, il faut partir. Il y a un retournement par jour. Il y a un mec qui se fait marbrer par jour et tout. On reste 2 jours de plus, ça se trouve, il y a 2 morts, hein.
I'm just saying we gotta be sensible about this.
We need to leave now. It's only gonna get worse.
He's dead.
This is what I'm talking about. We're in no shape to go now.
Can I see him?
I don't think that's a good idea. His orbital is crushed. I don't think there's much hope for the eye. I got him as stable as I could, cleaned it, got some of the swelling down, bandaged it as best I could.
Putain, le bâtard.
Until he wakes up, we won't know if there's any damage to the brain.
Fuck. Okay, look. Maybe I'm just playing devil's advocate here, but if... Damn it, if y'all are serious about going tonight, then we're gonna have to start talking about maybe leaving some folks behind.
No!
There is no other way.
This is bullshit.
Well, I don't like
il a
it either,
raison.
but guess what?
Si Kenny est défoncé à ce point-là, on peut pas.
We are only here because of you people, and now you intend to leave us behind.
So we should risk all of our lives?
Elle est dure cette saison. La logique, ça serait d'abandonner, mais en vrai de vrai, je vais pas l'abandonner.
What are you saying?
Nothing. I'm just thinking out loud here.
We are not leaving him.
Kenny voudrait qu'on
Kenny
parte.
would want us to go.
Le pire, c'est que c'est vrai.
Say that after all he's done for you.
That's why I know he'd want you safe. He'd want us all safe. It's what he'd tell us if he could.
It'd be something like that.
Voilà, c'est sûr et certain. Ok, le cerveau est pas touché. Il est lucide.
I'm all right, huh?
T'as pas le droit, Arnaud. J'ai pas dit que j'allais le faire. J'ai dit que c'est ce qu'il aurait voulu. Et je suis sûr que c'est vrai. Et il a lui-même confirmé.
We leave tonight. Plan don't change.
Voilà, dis bien.
Not bad, old
Petit
man.
monstre.
Thanks, asshole.
You are one tough bastard.
Do tough bastards get their ass kicked in front of everybody?
Merci, Kenny.
You all right? That wasn't your fault, okay? It's all right.
C'est le GOAT. C'est bon, j'y en veux plus à partir de maintenant.
All right. Well, then what now?
We get the hell out of here.
Like now.
Yes.
Where are we going? In case things get squirrely and we gotta make a break for it, we need a place to meet up.
We could meet out at Parker's Run.
The hell is that?
It's a Civil War site a few miles north. Tourist trap. Got signs all over. Just follow the road.
We stopped there after we escaped the first time. Luke and Carlos know where it is. It's not that far.
Well, at least if a few folks know where it's at, it'll be easier to find if we're split up. All right, that works.
Then we just need someone to go set off that PA, right? I mean, you never bothered to explain who's supposed to do that.
Je me demande qui va s'en charger. Ah, bah tiens, bah le hasard de dingue. Oh. Bon. Mais c'est pas possible.
Wait, hold on.
En
She's the
avant.
plan?
Let's go.
Be sure to remember to flip the switch for the outdoor speakers. Just the indoor speakers might not draw the herd. It's right on the microphone box.
Right.
By default, it's set to play music, so you should just have to turn it on, right? Then climb back up and drop into the stock room. We'll meet you there.
Down into the office. Outdoor speaker switch.
Bureau,
Turn on
interrupteur,
PA,
haut-parleur.
up to the roof. Down into the stock
Allumez
room
le
to meet
son.
you
J'ai tout
guys.
oublié, mon
Is
perso.
that right?
Perfect.
C'est que Clem, c'est vraiment la GOAT.
Okay.
Clem, make sure you bring Alvin.
Oui. Eh ben oui, je vais porter. Je vais porter ton chéri là. C'est une bonne idée. Hop, sans se bloquer les doigts en plus.
Alvin!
Ok, je vais pas le ramener lui. Bonne nuit Alvin. Bon, allez. Allez, je le tente.
Alvin? Are you okay?
Are you okay? Il y en a un que je vais pas pouvoir ramener les gars, hein. Je suis désolé d'avance, mais... Donnez à la radio. Là-bas.
Okay, now the mic. What? What's wrong?
Il y a rien d'autre à faire.
No. No, where are they? Come on. Please work.
This 4th of July, make sure your backyard barbecue is complete with Hal's full line of products to meet your grilling needs.
What did they do to you, Alvin?
Il va me défendre.
Carver talks all that tough guy shit, then keeps the tiniest gun in the universe. There's something funny about that.
Merci Lesloun. Lui va se sacrifier pour nous.
Project, we have the know-how. How?
Oui, petite légende.
Come on, we have to go.
Il va se sacrifier, mais au moins j'aurais fait le gentil. Voilà.
But you are. Go on. I mean to get some payback.
No, we're leaving. We're all leaving.
I ain't fit to move, kid.
Oh, t'inquiète, on le savait très bien, on fait semblant tous les deux. On fait semblant tous les deux pour se donner bonne conscience. La bise.
No, I'll just go up there and shut that thing off.
You gotta get out of here. They'll be here any second.
Thank you.
You take care of my girls. I get the feeling it's gonna be a girl.
Oh.
Just a hunch. Go on.
Ah, bah... Ah, ok, je me suis dit, ah bah merde.
From charcoal briquettes to propane, House has all you need to make your day special. This week only, Kennedy leaf blowers are 22% off. House, that's for a deal.
You want to disrespect me, fine. You want to throw away the life I'm trying to build for us all? Then fucking fine. Want to run off with this dog shit group of crippled fucks? Then fine. Be my guest. But I will put a bullet in you and that baby.
Voilà, t'es bien. Oui.
Get back.
Stop, on tire. On arrête de faire dans le sentimental, là. Une grosse bastos.
Come on, Luke. This ain't none of your business.
Allez, une balle. Ils attendent quoi? C'est toujours comme ça dans les films.
Where is he?
Alvin!
Elle va le tuer elle-même.
Rebecca, oh God, I am so sorry.
Kill him.
Rebecca, sweetie, my God. How did we get here, you and me? This is just a bit of a custody battle we got on our hands.
Faut qu'il le tue.
Just shoot him.
What? No,
Mais oui, faut le tuer en vrai. Arrêtez de faire dans le sentimental, voilà. Hop là, c'est pas moi qui vais le stopper.
Wait outside.
We have to go.
Kenny, please.
I only need a minute. Go on. You don't need to see this.
That girl's already seen more than you can imagine.
Shut your mouth, Bill.
Voilà, dis bien.
You're all just gonna let him do this?
Yes.
There ain't one part of that son of a bitch I don't hate, but that does not make this right. I don't want nothing to do with this.
Kenny, please, don't do this.
Juste on le tue et on se casse. Je vous explique pourquoi je fais ça. On va juste se faire rattraper par la horde et on va être dans la merde. Mais Arnaud, faites-moi confiance. Il va prendre 2 heures à le massacrer, la horde va arriver, on va être dans la grosse merde. Juste mettez-lui une putain de balle entre les 2 yeux, on se casse, ça apportera rien. Il va choquer sa femme, il va dégoûter tout le monde. On s'en fout. Il le mérite, ça va rien changer, une balle. La haine attire la haine, on n'a pas besoin de... Il faut sortir du cercle de la haine.
Look at you fucking ingrates. You don't even know how good you got it.
Une balle!
That's alright. You'll learn. Lambs to the slaughter. No shepherd to guide you.
Par contre, dites-moi qu'il s'en prend au moins une, quoi.
Clementine knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Come on.
Come on, Clem.
No.
I'm not letting you see this.
Je veux voir.
It's not your decision.
Atta girl. She ain't afraid to look it in the eye. You go with that feeling you got right now, Clementine. It's what makes you stronger than the rest of them.
Let's go.
Yeah, go on. Let the sheep out of the pen. We'll see how
Encore
long
un
that
trauma de
lasts.
plus. Oh, ça va, je passe après.
Won't see anything.
That's funny, coming from you. How's that eye? Just follow my voice. It'll get you there. You got a thick fucking skull, Kenneth. Should have put you out of your misery right then. Now look at you. You're a mess. The fuck are you looking at, bitch? Don't act like you didn't.
Je suis Kenny, je lui crève les 2 yeux et je le laisse sur place. Je le laisse sur place ou à emporter, peu importe. Il se fera bouffer par les zombies. En étant aveugle, il peut plus marcher, c'est sûr et certain, et jamais il survit. C'est impossible. Les 2 yeux, bonne chance à toi. 2 yeux, 2 jambes, les zombies s'occupent de toi. Meilleur truc. Il fait le barbeau là. Ah. Allez, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. C'est bon, allez, lâche ça. Il est mort là. Hein. Ok. On part là-dessus.
Let's go.
Ok, Kenny. Putain, j'ai des flashbacks du film de Vincent Cassel là. Irréversible.
No, I'm all right. Come on, we got enough to worry about. Man, we're never gonna make it through this.
You kidding me? If Clem can handle it, you can.
Shit, I thought they were coming from the south.
They did. Looks like we're in the eye of it now.
Fuck. This is fucked.
Here, you're gonna need something.
Thanks.
Mais là, du coup, on va laisser toute la bouffe et tout. Putain, il y avait forcément un moyen. Bah là, on se recouvre d'entrailles et on va chercher les boîtes de conserve.
Or you can die here. Doesn't matter to me. Do it quick. We need to get covered before the rest of them get close or we're fucked.
I'll go first.
Allez, on y va.
You're gonna put that on yourself? We have to, Sarah.
Si on le fait pas, on meurt. Allez, je te gribouille. Ah, je peux pas. Je vais me resservir. Ah.
Okay, now you. Turn around. Smells gross.
Shit.
Everybody shut the fuck up.
Okay, honey, just stay still.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. There's nothing to fear if you remain calm. I'll keep you safe.
Hurry the fuck up.
Turn around. I'll get your back.
We ain't got all day here. Everybody ready? They're almost on us.
What in the actual fuck is going on here?
Oh,
what is this sick shit? Someone say something before I start. Hey! Don't you even fucking think about it, motherfucker. I will end you. You hear me?
Troy, we talked about this.
What? The fuck you talking about?
I told you I wanted to get out. You said you'd help, then I'd help.
I thought you meant get out of the pen, not whatever the fuck this shit is.
I did. But now we can leave. Troy, you can come with us.
What? Well, where would we go?
Away from here. Together.
Man, you smell really bad. You gotta get a bath before we...
Voilà, bien joué. Dans ces burnes là. Ah, ce fils de pute. Ah, c'est merveilleux ça. Ah, je pouvais pas rêver mieux.
And for fuck's sake, walk. Act like you belong.
Et on pouvait pas rêver mieux. Period Queen. Slay. Ah, bien joué en vrai. Hop là, mon perso préféré de la série.
We got this, y'all. Is that Tavy?
Where's Bill? We need him up here.
Oui, on prend 0 balles. Bien sûr.
Gonna be okay.
Don't run.
Watch Sarah.
J'ai appuyé sur la touche pour courir pour voir ce que ça faisait.
Clementine, come help me. Calm her down. Please, just say something. You're her friend. Clementine.
Dad!
Voilà, t'es pas différente, Sarah, on a tous nos parents morts. Attendez, est-ce qu'il y avait un moyen que ça se passe pas comme ça ou pas, les gars? Parce que j'ai appuyé sur chute, mais ça a pas dit chute, quoi. Genre, je crois que j'ai vraiment... Soit j'ai pas eu le temps, soit c'est un truc que tu peux pas skip. C'est la fin de Sarah, là. Ça raccroche.
She hit us! Sarah, get a hold of yourself! Sarah, did you...
Mais là, je suis plus le zombie, pourquoi il me revoit, là? Bah faut couper la main. Je coupe le bras là. Ciao, j'y vais. Hop, c'est maintenant. C'est une boucherie les gars. Faut lui couper la main, genre maintenant là. Tellement s'évanouir. On regarde pas, on regarde pas, on regarde pas. Les gars, c'est sérieux. Franchement, si on avait 20 viewers, je ferais quand même le jeu. C'est une masterclass. C'est une masterclass. Le jeu est trop bien. C'est incroyable. Mais enfin... Non mais en vrai, moi dites pas. Mais dites-moi quand même, c'est la meilleure saison. Il peut pas avoir mieux que ça. Il se passe trop de trucs, c'est trop bien, genre. C'est tellement bien. Oui, ouais, ça c'est exceptionnel. Genre, putain, vraiment, c'est un truc de fou. Meilleur que plusieurs séries. Non mais c'est incroyable. Il y a trop de plot twists, c'est trop bien. Je préfère cette saison à la 1. La 1, j'ai rompi giga fort. Moi, j'ai adoré la 1, mais comment? Mais là, c'est trop... Enfin, c'est incroyable, là. Il y a que des plots et il y a aucun plot où tu les regardes et tu dis, ouais, c'est de la merde. Ou c'est too much, ou je sais pas quoi, je trouve vraiment que c'est bien juste, il y a ce qu'il faut, c'est réaliste et tout, niveau rebondissement, j'adore. J'adore. Putain, c'était trop cool. Bah les gars, putain, heureusement qu'on parle au début parce que c'est 2 heures les épisodes à chaque fois. 1h45, 2 heures. J'ai adoré. Tu t'attachais plus au perso de la 1, mais c'était un peu rompiche. Ah, je sais pas, moi je trouve qu'il y a des persos dont tu t'attaches là quand même. Genre, j'aime déjà beaucoup la meuf de Kenny alors qu'on la connaît pas tant que ça, c'est que le perso ait bien été mis en place. Non, franchement, non, je suis pas d'accord, moi. Quand même attaché au personnage. Pas tous de la même façon, évidemment, mais je trouve ça pas mal. Putain, c'est trop bien, quoi. Trop bien. Bah, les gars, je file. Du coup, rendez-vous demain, 16h pour le prochain stream. En attendant, vous prenez soin de vous tranquillement. Demain, Eldaria, et on aura du croustillant, je pense, parce qu'on a enfin eu un épisode avec un déclencheur. Donc, j'ose espérer que la semaine prochaine, que demain, pardon, ça va être un banger l'épisode. Et cette semaine, sinon, on va refaire un épisode de Walking Dead. On va essayer le jeu de bibliothèque. Et on va faire Ace Attorney si la température baisse. Parce que pour le moment, c'est impossible que je mette que je mette une tenue... une tenue d'avocat complète pour streamer. Là, c'est impossible. Je suis déjà en train de crever en étant à poil. Non, pas encore, Yoshi. J'étais pas chez moi, mais ce soir, je peux me poser. Bisous à tous. Bisous à la team. Merci d'avoir suivi le stream. Merci aux viewers d'avoir vu, aux modos d'avoir modéré. Merci à BFK pour les 51 mois. C'est gentil, mon poulet. Et rendez-vous demain. Bah, tu pourras pas jeudi, c'est Nocturne avec les filles. Ça a pas l'air d'être parti pour Nocturne avec les filles. Je crois que Gomar est chaude. Mais je sais pas si les filles sont dispo ou pas. Je vais voir. De toute façon, au pire, je fais un duo avec Gomar et je ferai un autre truc où j'organiserai autrement le planning. C'est pas grave. Bisous la team, bonne soirée. Rendez-vous demain pour Rendez-vous demain pour Eldaria. Et je pense que bah, si la température baisse pas, de toute façon, Ace Attorney laissera la place à un autre truc. Donc voilà, on va faire comme ça. Bisous l'équipe. Ciao, ciao. Bisous, bisous. Mouah.